may bahagi si Gobernador Daniel R. Fernando, Vice Gov. Alexis C. Castro at ang bumubuo ng Sangguniang Panlalawigan ng Bulacan sa National Executive Forum on the Real Property Valuation and Assessment Reform Act o RP-VARA sa Republic Act No. 12001 na pinangunahan ng Bureau of Local Government Finance sa SMX Aura, Taguig City noong July 9, 2026.
RP-VARA is a means for LGUs to build public trust. When valuations are fair, uniform, and current, taxpayers seek equity. When property data is credible, investors see opportunity. The trust is the foundation for local economic progress and stronger fiscal autonomy.
The reform modernizes LGU valuation, making it more frequent, efficient, transparent, and market-based. It specifically delivers three results. First, stronger LGU revenue generation and resource mobilization. Second, greater investor confidence through credible valuations. And third, improved public trust in public valuation and assessment.
Inalakay sa forum na ito ang mga hakbang sa pagpapatupad ng batas na naglalayong gawing mas makatarungan, transparent at mabisang real property valuation sa bansa. Bahagi ito ng paghahanda ng mga lokal na pamahalaan upang higit pang mapalakas ang mahusay na pamamahala at paghatid ng serbisyo sa mamamayan.